Welcome. Thank you all for coming. I am Jimmy, and I'm an instructor at Mullin Music. Thank you. First of all, I want to say thank you to Benchwarmers for letting us do this. So, can everybody give them a big round of applause? Thank you. And secondly, I'd like to thank Steve Puccio for, as some of you know, he does this every Sunday, and he's let me use some of the time that he would normally do it, and I really appreciate it, and all my students and their parents and families appreciate it, so give him a round of applause too. Thank you, Steve. Appreciate it. Today, you're going to hear a bunch of things. First thing you're going to hear, since they're already up here, is a band I've been working with for a few months now. I've had these, well, Adam's not my guy. I think, is Dave Alves you here? Where's Dave Alves? Yeah. His teacher, there you are, that's his teacher. And yeah, Alan is neat too. And then Alan's teacher is Janet, she's not here right now. But I think the rest of them are all mine, right? Oh, and Catherine Eckersley is Lindsey's voice teacher. Lindsey takes lessons from me, guitar lessons. But anyway, so we're going to do some rocking tonight. It's going to get a little loud. I imagine that's okay with you guys, right? All right, you guys ready to rock?